Hello guys, welcome back to Nafaranjay channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about my melody. Born in the magical forest of Maryland, my Melody is a kind and good-natured girl. This cutie rabbit version of the Little Red Riding Hood. That's why you always get to see my Melody wearing a cute little hood above her head. She never goes out without her hood. If it isn't clear enough to see with her floppy ears, my Melody is actually a bunny. My Melody lives together with her rabbit mother and father in Maryland. She's a kind, sociable, and optimistic girl. My Melody gets along with everyone in the forest, and she has a lot of friends. Oftentimes when she's not playing, you can find her helping her mother bake cookies and cake in Maryland. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.